A Cash Giraffe invite code can fail even when the code itself is correct, because referral codes can depend on how and when the account was created. By the end, you'll know the main things to check when a Cash Giraffe invite code is not working, including account eligibility, code entry, app issues, and referral tracking. First, check whether the invite code was entered during the correct part of the sign-up process. If Cash Giraffe only accepts referral information for eligible new accounts, entering a code after registration may not attach the referral to the account. If you already created your account without the code, look inside the app for any referral or invite section that allows you to add one. If there is no option to enter a code after sign-up, repeatedly reinstalling the app usually will not change the referral status of an existing account. Next, check the code itself. Referral codes are easy to mistype, especially when they contain similar characters. Copy the code directly instead of typing it manually, then remove any extra spaces before submitting it. Also, check whether the person who gave you the code provided an active Cash Giraffe referral code. A code copied from an old post, video, or screenshot may no longer work if the referral program or code has changed. If the code looks correct but the app still rejects it, update Cash Giraffe through the official App Store. Then completely close the app and reopen it before trying again. If the problem continues, check whether Cash Giraffe is experiencing a temporary server or a referral system problem. There is another important distinction. A code being accepted does not necessarily mean the bonus appears immediately. Referral rewards can depend on additional eligibility requirements, so check the referral terms shown inside your Cash Giraffe account rather than assuming the bonus should appear instantly. The quickest troubleshooting order is simple. Verify the code, confirm you are eligible for the referral, check whether your account is already registered, update the app, and then check the referral terms. So if your Cash Giraffe invite code is not working, don't keep entering the same code repeatedly. First, determine whether the account is eligible, because that can matter more than the code itself. Try those checks in order, and if the issue remains, contact Cash Giraffe support with the exact error message and your account details. If this fixed your referral problem, like the video and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe troubleshooting guides.